Okay, live na tayo. Hey guys, good evening, good morning, and whatever time zone you have right now. This is once again Coach Joel, and I hope you guys are doing well with this game two of our chess jump. So we are now in the game two, and yesterday we talked about the basic of our white paper as well as the game. We introduced the blitz, bullet, and what are the difference and everything. So right now, as I said in the last video, ay tuturuan ko kayo ngayon. Hindi ko kayo tuturuan. So, ang gulo ko 'no. Ganito kasi 'yun, sinabi natin last time is, magfo-focus tayo sa long game na. So, dito na magsisimula ang, long game natin at game 2 na tayo ngayon. So, ang game 2 natin ay long game, tuloy-tuloy na po ito. So, mag-a-analyze tayo lagi ng ating play. Okay, so hanap tayo dito ng players. So, magko-custom ako dito at okay, so wala palang ano yung ano. So, 30 minutes lang yung classic, walang 1 hour, no? So, kung may increment naman 'to, so 30 minutes plus 20, ibig sabihin po niyan is 30 minutes yung time tapos increment by 20 seconds. So, ito na lang lalaruin natin at, mag-start na tayo sa long game natin. Ayan. So, E4 siya, then magsisilyan tayo dito. So, magsisilyan nga ako. Try natin 'to kasi di ko na nagagamit 'tong Sicilian, eh. Wow! So, develop lang tayo, hayaan natin siya. Always develop lang tayo. So, gaya ng sinasabi ko noon guys, ang sinasabi ko lagi is, mas maganda 'pag, long game yung lalaruin mo. Kasi ma-a-analyze mo talaga ng todo. So, ngayon, sa game 2 natin na 'to, tingnan natin kung ayan, tingnan natin kung sino yung matatalo. Pero as I said, decentralized ito, so hindi natin kilala kung sino 'tong kalaban natin, ayan. So, talagang poprotektahan niya yung pawn na 'yan. Wala lang tayong ibang gagawin kundi mag-develop lang. Antayin natin siyang umake. Oh, welcome pala sa mga viewers natin. Wow, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, yun na nga. Ah, sige, dito na ang kainin natin. Palakasin natin yung ano. Hindi ko alam bakit. Bakit siya nagmamadali? Siguro nasanay ito sa blitz. Okay lang yan. Wow, kinain niya. Hindi kain lang din. Shoutout sa viewers natin. Ayan, shoutout. Hindi ko alam kung sino, pero kung gusto nyo makipaglaro mamaya, pwede naman. So, long game tayo ngayon, ha. Hanap tayo ng pagkakataon kung saan tayo magkamali, no? Tapos, i-correct natin. Wait. Saan ba yung live natin? Hindi ko makikita. Ayun, nakita ko na. Close sets. So, makasya lang tayo. So, decentralized to, ha. Decentralized. Ako lang yung ano, ako lang yung may pangalan. Nakikita niyo naman, naka-live ako eh. Mhm. Ayan, so may tira ako dito. Titirahin ko siya. So, kung white yung bishop niya, so ang bala ko, iwa-white ko lahat yung pawn para may dating. Ayan. Plano siyang i-mate ako eh. Anong purpose niya? Wala, mabilis lang. Parang nagbi-blitz lang din ako. Ano ba yan, bro? Nagbi-blitz lang tayo. Hmm, parang nabi-blitz lang. Okay. Tapos, parang mahina yung mga kalaban pag 30 minutes. Kadalasan yung mga malalakas dun sa ano. Teka, develop muna natin yung ano natin, yung bishop. Plano ko dito kung i-develop. Ay, wala to, bro. Hindi to ano, hindi to totoong master. Ano yata to yung kalaban natin? Tawag dito. Parang kagaya lang din natin beginners. So as I said, no, beginners lang ako, beginners. Beginners lang tayo kaya anonymous tayo lagi. Okay, so iti-treat niyo lang pa kaya ano. Mhm. Some people want it all. Okay. Parang hindi man to long game. Ang bilis niyang tumira. Wala tayong ano. May nag-message ba? Sino ba nag-message? Wala naman eh. Wala namang nag-message. Akala ko may nagtatap ng message. Okay, so mag-check tayo. Mag-i-start na tayo mag-atake. Atake. So, wala siyang galaw. Dito lang siya. Tapos, bibiktimahin ka na ng bishop dito. O, di ba? Saka ka madali. Mahusay pala. Ang dali naman ng chess. Joke lang. Nakachamba lang tayo. Nakachamba. Ayan guys. So, mate na siya guys. So, yung kalaban natin, parang blitz player, no? Bullet player. Bullet chess player. So, hindi tayo naaliw. So, long game kasi dapat yung ano natin eh, pero parang natapos lang natin ng ilang minuto. So, hindi siya long gamers. So, pero panalo tayo. Ang ano lang kasi, wala tayong natutunan kasi parang bago lang din siya kagaya natin. So, new opponent tayo. So, panalo tayo doon. Sana medyo malakas-lakas naman. Ayan. Sicilian ulit tayo. Ayan, ito parang meron 'tong sinusundang libro. So, may sinusundan siyang libro, guys. Ang gagawin natin, yan. Bigyan natin siya ng kinain niya. At siya ng karapatan. Parang magka-castling siya dun sa queen side. Pero okay lang, open file naman tong B file ko eh. So, may parang akong, wala. Sa queen side siya nag-castle. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito guys is anong gagawin natin dito? So, alis tayo lagi sa pin. Wow, exchange niya lahat. Grabe. Gusto niyang mag-exchange lahat ba? Okay. Tayo. So, queen side yung ano natin, yung battle. Okay, dito na magsisimula ang mga plano natin. So, paano ba? Paano ba yan? Saan ba tayo pwede? Kung mag F4 siya, so meron ng pagkakataong makabenta. Kasi kung mag F4 siya, atake siya sa king side ko eh. So ako naman, babanat ako sa queen side. Ayun na nga. So ang gagawin natin dito is, ayan, titreten natin yan. Nagkamali siya. Ayun lang. Okay, sige. Balik lang tayo. Tingnan natin yung ano. Guys, long game to ha. Medyo, uy, nag-resign. Bakit siya nag-resign? Ay, ito yung mga ayaw ko sa Anonymous. Kasi hindi itutuloy yung game pag ano na. Ayan. So wala na tayong magawa, hindi tayo makapag-analyze hanggang din natatapos yung game. Wala eh, wala tayong matututunan. So new opponent tayo. So dalawa na yung panalo natin ha. So new opponent ulit tayo. Ba't ba sila nagre-resign? May iba naman tao, minsan naman ayan, white na tayo. So gagamitin ko yung pinaka-opening ko talaga. Knight F3 ako eh. Oh, pinapakain lang oh. Grabe naman. Sabi, you propose to take it back. Ayoko nga. Bahala ka. Akala mo blitz to. Long game to, pare. Long game to. Ay, oo nga pala. Sa mga gustong makipaglaro dyan, teka magdadrop ako ng link ha. Pasok lang kayo sa ano. Hindi ako magmumubang, hindi siya magmumubala siya dyan. Create a lobby. And then, sige, anong gusto niyo? Long game, gusto ko ha, long game. So, 60 minutes. And increment is 0. Ayan. So, nag-create na ako ng lobby guys. So, kung gusto nyong pumasok, ayan. So, i-click nyo lang yung link na nasa, ayan. So, i-click nyo lang yung link na nasa, nasa comment section. So, long game ang gusto ko ha. Ayoko yung ayoko yung kung nag-quit. Dapat tapusin talaga yung 60 minutes. Wala naman tong increment eh. Oh, ayan. Naka-post na dyan sa comment section. Long game. Ayan. 1 hour. So, ayan. Pinost ko na. Ipapakita ko sa screen. So, put this user in, wait, show. Ayan. So, i-click nyo lang yung link na nakapin sa top. Ayan, para makapaglaro tayo. Ayaw niya talaga. E di ubusin natin yung oras niya. Alam mo ha. Test of patient yung chess. Uy, akala mo. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-patient dyan, wala kang maano dyan. So every time maggi-games tayo guys, kung merong mga ayun, kung merong mga gustong makipaglaro sa akin ng long game. Long game lang kasi ako eh. So kasi din develop natin dito is yung critical thinking, hindi yung mga quick gains na thinking like blitz or bullet chess. Hindi natin pinopromote 'yon. Pinopromote natin dito anonymously and long game of the chess. Kasi dun natin makikita yung talagang totoong chess 'no. Hindi na kasi totoong chess lahat ngayon, eh, puro na lang ano, eh, gaya ng tinapik natin kagabi sa white paper natin, ano na lang sila, eh, puro na lang ano, eh, paangasan, eh, 'no? Ego na lang lagi, hindi na yung totoong chess talaga. Yung totoong chess dati sa'min walang chess clock yun. Ngayon kasi gamitin natin yung chess clock sa tama. Sabi niya, "Your opponent left the game, you can claim victory, call the game a draw or wait." Iki-claim ko na lang yung victory ko, wala, eh. Okey, next opponent tayo. Okey, so 30 minutes ulit tayo. Ito yung napakaganda sa Anonymous 'no, quick pairing. Ayun, ayan. Sige, ikaw na mag-move pare, hindi kita kilala, Anonymous ka, eh. Uy, move ka na, white ka. Meron ka pang 24 seconds left. Parang ano yan, basketball, 24 second shot clock. Okey, so Sicilian ulit tayo. So ito talaga yung opening ko na sa black. Sicilian, kung mag D4 siya, mag-ano ako D5. So ganun lang yung laro ko din. D4, D5. Wow, nag-castling agad siya, eh. Ay wag, ayan. So, okey sige, bahala ka diyan. Sigurado ka boy? Ganyanin ko lang. So hindi na ako magbi-bishop G7 kasi na-open ko na yung center ko, eh. So palalakasin ko na lang yung center ko. Wow, sacrifice, bye. Okey, sige, kainin natin. Siguro nag-e-experiment 'to. Uy, kung sino ka man, wag kang mag-experiment 'no. Gusto ko yung seryosong laban. Ano ba naman 'yan? Ito mahirap sa Anonymous 'no, kasi 'di mo kilala kung sino, eh, walang rating. Ano lang, yung play play the game lang, just move lang. So, ayan. Itong magandang chess, 'di mo kilala, so confidence ka sa mga moves mo, sa mga tira mo, kung ano pa man 'yan. Oops, teka lang. Planuhin natin 'tong maigi. Baka kasi ano 'yan, eh, trap. Hmm, sige kainin natin 'to. Bahala siya diyan kung anong gagawin niya. Kung kakainin niya 'yan, okey lang. At least one piece na siya, 'di ba? So, gano'n lang ka-basic. Pero chamba lang 'yan lahat guys, chamba lang tayo. Tsuma-tsamba lang tayo lagi. Tsamba-tsamba lang sa'tin 'to. Uy, meron akong tagapanood, oh. Sino kaya 'yan? Hello, hello, shoutout sa'yo kung sino ka man. Ito yung napakagandang chess, yung decentralized. Bakit niya ginawa yun? Mga blitz player naman 'tong mga ano, eh, itong mga kalaban natin sa 30 minutes increment with 20 seconds, parang mga blitz player. Okey lang, sige lang, matututo naman din tayo, eh, sa mga mali nila. Gusto ko yung challenge kung, marunong kayo turuan niyo naman ako 'no, sa mga viewers natin kahit mag-isa lang okey lang 'yun basta marunong ka maglaro okey na 'yan. Kaysa ba naman dito 'no, parang mga blitz player mga anonymous, eh. Okey lang 'yan. Ayoko ibigay yung mga ano ko, mahal ko 'yan, alaga ko yang mga piyesa ko 'no. Ano tayo dito, dapat sigurista sabi. Ayan, natuhog siya. Ayun yung tinatawag namin na tuhog. Yung queen at saka rook na tuhog. Ayun, nag-resign. So guys, tatlo na yung panalo natin ha. Tatlo na, tatlo na. Okay, yung opponent tayo. Kasi wala tayong matutunan dito, wala pa tayong mali eh. Chamba lang naman to, no? Ayan, nakachamba lang tayo ulit. So quick pairing. Ayan. Okay. So, konti lang pala naglalaro ng Anonymous. Ayan, C5 ulit tayo, Sicilian. Hanggang sa matutunan ko na uli yung papaano maglaro ng C5 or ng Sicilian. Dalawa daw yung Sicilian, eh, Sicilian Nadorp at Sicilian Dragon. So ginagamit ko lagi yung Dragon. Pero kadalasan nagna-Nadorp ako. Yung Nadorp daw dito daw yung bishop, eh, sa center. Yung dragon naman sa G7 yung ano, yung bishop. Gano'n kaganda ang depensa pagka nakaposisyon ka. Tingnan natin yung ano. Ito parang magaling 'to, kasi nagde-develop agad siya 'no, ayan, nagde-develop agad siya. Tignan natin. So, sana magkamali tayo para meron tayong matutunan. Kasi 'pag wala ka kasing mali, akala mo perfect ka na pero hindi pala 'no. So, walang walang ano 'yun, walang thrill, dapat may thrill. Okey, nag-castling na siya. So, ang gagawin natin guys, i-treat na ay hindi, 'wag. Dapat antayin mo lang, antayin mo lang na kainin niya. So, ayan magpaplano na tayo. Ba maganda dito. Parang parang seryoso 'tong kalaban natin, eh. So, magaling na 'tong kalaban natin. Kailangan natin planuhin. Kung magde-D5 ako, pupush niya yung E5. Iti-treat ko yung bishop niya. Okay, pwede na 'to. Kunin natin. Kunin natin yung pawn niya sa B2. Tingnan natin kung anong response niya. Kung kakainin niya yung knight, kain lang ako sa pawn para mag-open file yung B ano ko, yung B8. So, 'pag nag-open file yan, makaka-atake ako sa queen side, mauunahan ko siya. Kasi gano'n talaga ang Sicilian Dragon, yung focus niya dapat sa queen side, eh. Queen side attack, eh. Ayan. So, kainin na natin yan. So, kung mag-queen ano siya, queen D2 siya, ang gagawin lang natin is mag, rook FB8 lang tayo. Para treat lagi natin yung pawn. Tapos tulak na lang natin yung A5 na yan para ano, ayun, tinulak niya. So, same pa rin gagawin natin para makaiwas tayo sa gulo sa king side. Kasi yung Sicilian Dragon daw kasi ay lamang daw yan lagi sa queen side kung doon ka mag-aatake. So, ayan na nga. Ito paplanuhin natin. May plano siyang pumunta dito eh. So, atake na tayo dito sa queen side. Ako nabitawan ko yung pawn ko ah. Pag itutulak niya to, bitay. Okay, di niya inano. Naka-create tuloy ako ng ano, hindi ko plinano ba. Naka-create ako tuloy ng tawag dito weak square. Ito weak square ko na to. Pwede niyang pasukan kahit ano. Mali yung tulak ko sa ano, sa D5. Naka-create tuloy ako ng weak square. Sige, wala na. Yun na yun eh. Sabi ko na nga, weak square nga yan. Mali yung tulak ko. Sige, dito na lang ako. Hanap ako ng mapagkakitaan. Sige. Saan ka? Pumili ka, boy. Pero di ko pa yan kakainin. Di ko pa yan kakainin kasi alam ko may weak square ako dito eh. Anytime pwede niyang pasukan yan. So, gagawin ko lang is de-defend ko lang yung sarili ko. Mali kasi tong tulak. Nag-advance ako ng D5. Okay, kainin ko na lang to. Sige, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Wow. Dito lang ako. Sige, magti-treat-treat lang ako dito. Problema ko itong nasa A7 ko eh. Ito problema ko eh. Parang mabibigay ito eh. Kailangan ko ng panlunas. Kasi nagkaroon ng weak square dito so ayun, yun na nga, tiniran na niya nga. At diyan na nga ang pagtangis. Sabi ko na mali yun eh. Okay, so nakapasok tuloy siya. Ano bang gagawin ko dito? Yan yung problema ko eh. Kanina pa eh. Dalawa lang maging posibilidad dito. Ibibigay ko yan tapos magpapa one piece ako. Ganon. Para hindi lang masira yung ano ko. Pwede naman. Magpapa one piece ako. Hindi, mahirap na. Mahirap na one piece. Okay, wala tayong choice. Kailangan nating umasenso. Papakain na lang natin yan. Tayo magawa. Sa'yo na yan. Sa'yo na yan, boy. Wala tayong magawa. Ang lakas na tuloy ng center niya. Pabayaan ko yung weak square. Okay lang. Okay lang yan, boy. Kaya pa yan. Ayun na nga. So, problema ko na ngayon yung weak square. Okay lang yan. Tuloy lang tayo. Tuloy lang. May mga atake pa naman ako. May mga atake. Magkamali siya ng isa dito. Mabubusog-lusog yan. Nakabuti din pala. Sige lang. Saan kaya siya dadaan ngayon? Ayun. Isang mali lang niya ng move na yan. Ayun na nga. So, pwede niyo akong tirahin dun, no? Maganda dito. Wow. Check. Ano bang maganda? Okay, dito na lang. Wala tayong magawa eh. Puro atras na lang tayo eh. Magkamali siya ng isa dyan, patay siya. Pag mag G4 yan. Pag mag G4 yan. Ayan. Sige, mag G4 ka na. Ano nga. Parang may mali ako eh. Okay lang yan. Hayaan natin siya. Kung kakainin niya yung center pawn ko, okay na. Okay na sa akin yan. Importante sa akin yung makuha ko lang yung center ulit at saka yung pin side. Kamali kasi tayo kanina, sayang naman. Sige. Ayun, kinain niya nga. Kain naman tayo. Ayan, so naging good bishop na yung ating bad bishop kanina. Ayos, kinain niya. Ayan, may tuhog ako dito sa sa A4. Pag di niya nakita, ayan, di niya nga na-prevent. So, wala tayong choice. Kain ba? Kain tayo. Wala tayong choice eh. Knight yung kinain. Sige. You know, good move oh. Sige, bigyan kita ng ano, 'pag na-sold mo 'yan, saan ba siya tatakbo? Wala na 'no? Oo, nakakita ko pa 'yun. Nakachamba ulit tayo guys. Mga ka-jumpers, jumpers. Parang Pampers ang dating, eh, 'no? Jumpers, jumpers pala. 'Yan mga ka-chess jumpers, nanalo tayong 3. Kung manalo ito pang-apat na natin 'to, wow. Wow, nakachamba tayo pang-apat ng panalo. Pero anonymous pa rin 'no? Wala tayong ano dito 'no, walang discrimination 'no? Hindi natin kilala kung sino yung, kalaban natin. Pero mahusay din siya 'no, mahusay din siya. Kasi beginners din ako, eh, beginners din ako so ayun. Sino kaya 'to? Sumakit na yung ulo niya, sana hindi. Huwag naman sumakit ang ulo mo pare. Pare, huwag naman. Ayun, hindi na siya nag-move, hindi na siya nag-move guys. So, asan ba yung mali natin kanina? Yung ano, yung D5, yun yung mali ko kanina. Dapat hindi ko pa sana tinulak yon kasi too early pa eh. Dapat hindi nagkaganon. Dapat hindi nagkaganon. Dapat nag-atake lang talaga ako dun sa ano, sa queen side. Pero nakabuti rin naman kahit papaano. Kanain niya na. So, check tayo. And then, pala tayong follow up. Sige nga. If of course multiplier natin. So, marami tayong tira next. Ayan. As expected. O, pumili ka. Saan? Saan ang kakanin mo? Ayun na nga. So, dalawa na yung threat ko. Dalawa na yung mate niya. Saan kaya siya, ano yun? Saan kaya siya pipwesto? Quality down or mate? Quality down. So, pinili niya yung quality down, no? Alin ba mas maganda dito? Teka lang, parang sumakit ulo ko. Check, punta siya doon. Check, punta siya doon. Hindi pwede. So, kailangan ko ng alibyo. Mati yata eh. Check. Na-mate ko ba? Hindi yata. Quality down din. Pag nag-check ako doon, check ako sa ano. Check ako dito. Wala, kulang yung ano ko, kulang yung follow up. Check ako doon. Doon siya. Check ako doon. Doon uli siya. Ako dyan. Dyan siya. So, wala na akong follow up. So, ito na lang. Wala nang ano, wala nang pagdadalawang isip 'to. Ayoko ng stress, so mag-aano ako, magsisigurista ako. Lamang naman ako, eh. Quality down lang talaga. Tingnan natin, long game naman 'to, eh. So, nakabuti din yung atake natin. Pipin natin. Anong kasunod niyang move? Really? Pakain mo yan? Yung bishop na yan? Ayun. Anong purpose mo dyan? May rook naman ako, eh. Okay. So, akala mo makakapag-queen yan. Hindi. Hindi yan, paps. Nakachamba lang tayo, nakachamba. So, apat na yung chamba natin, guys. Nakaapat na tayong chamba. Ayan. So, sigurista tayo. Dapat ubusin natin lahat ng mga makakaabala sa atin. Yung pawn, ubusin natin. Kainin natin lahat. Your opponent left the game. You claim victory in... Okay. So, nag-resign na siya, guys. Okay, claim ko na to. Grabe, parang di man long game. Okay, sige, new opponent tayo. Anonymous pa rin, no? Maganda talaga pag anonymous, eh. Hindi mo kilala sino kalaban mo, no? Yun ang totoong chess. No ego attached. Yun ang kilala, eh. Ito yung decentralized, no? Decentralized platform. Ito yung maganda. Wow. Sige. Bahala ka dyan. Kainin mo na. Ayun, kainin. Oops, teka. Parang may mali. Trade na lang natin. Ayun na nga. So, dyan tayo. Para mali pala yun. Ayun lang. Pon. Sige, pon. Yan. Good job, good job. Push lang ako. Magka-castle. Hayaan natin siya. Sige. Kainin mo. Ayaw niyang kainin. Alam mo nakaligo ka na ba? Okay. Oops. Saan ba 'to? Teka, naguguluhan ako, ah. Diyan na lang. Whoever controls the open file controls the game. Patay tayo dito. Makita niya yung good move dito na horse. Tsaka hindi naman good move yan, eh. Kainin ko lang naman. Kakainin ko, sige. Kain. Check siya dito. Kain dun. Malabo, ah. Check lang. Ayan, nagkamali na tayo. Good thing yan, good thing yan. Queen to queen tayo. Kain siya, kain ako. Tapos, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Sige, no choice. Tuntukin tayo. Wala na akong magawa. I need to survive. Okay lang yan. One pawn lang naman, eh. Ayan guys, one pawn lang naman guys. Basta sa atin yung open file. Goods na yan. At mag-create pa siya ng maraming open file. Yan ang tanong namin. mm, so, nagkamali tayo dito. Ang mali ko sa opening, sigurado. Ano naman sinasabi ko sa'yo? Kailangan ko ng isang good move. Sige, sa'yo na yan. Isa lang. Sa'yo na yan. Sige, tulak mo na. Para wala ka ng atake. Basic lang yan eh. Ito lang ako. Sige, ikaw mo na yan. Ano? Ayaw pa rin. Hey, parang magaling tong kalaban natin, na ba? Nagagamit natin yung utak natin. Magaling nga siya. Buti na lang may counter pa ako dun, no? Kailangan, ano, pag namali siya dito, buti na lang may atake pa ako dun. Isang mali ko lang din, patay ako eh. So, kailangan di makapasok yung queen niya. Kasi ako nakakontrol sa A file eh. Ano kayang, ano kaya yung move niya? Basta hindi ko to kakainin, itong nasa H2 na pawn niya. Paala siya dyan, naiga siya dyan. Gagawin ko na lang, yung knight ko dapat makamove siya sa F3 tapos H4, then saka ko nakakainin yung ano. Dapat, dapat yun ang gawin ko. So, magiging dalawa yung threat. Isa lang gagawin niya dito. Either magki-queen to queen siya or i-force niya yung ano. Wala naman siyang papasukan eh. Kung mag-queen siya dito, so makakapasok na ako dun. So may threatening mate na ako dun. Pero ako din, dalawa yung possibilities. So at least yung knight ko strong dyan. Hindi siya basta-basta makakapasok. Ayun na nga. So, ginawa niya ng komplikado. Ano maganda, kainin o hindi? Kung kakainin ko yun, kakainin ko. Papasukin ko yung queen ko doon. Hindi makaka-open file na siya eh. Yan pa naman yung pinaka-hardest part. Ano ba? Ano ba magandang move dito? Okay, create tayo ng mate. Bahala siya dyan. Basta ako tuloy lang ako sa plano, bahala ka dyan. Yan na yung pinaka-the best move ko. Okay. Parang nagpapalaban to ng stockfish or AI sa ano niya. Malakas ang tira eh. Tayo naman, wala tayong ganun dito, no? So, ano talaga, manalo, matalo, ayun ang ating ano, resulta. No? Kasi wala tayong pakialam. Ang gusto natin dito yung magamit natin yung utak natin, hindi yung parang manalo ka lang dahil andaya ka or something, dapat transparent. So, iyon ang chess jump guys. Hindi tayo panalo lang, 'no? Dapat naghahanap tayo ng talo dito. So, wala pa akong talo, eh, nakachamba ako ng 4, eh. Kung manalo tayo dito, pang-5 na 'to. So, hindi ang purpose natin dito is laging manalo. Ang purpose natin naghahanap tayo ng talo. Eh, papaano ba tayo matatalo nito? Sana matalo tayo para may pag-uusapan tayo. Ayun guys. So, nag-queen move na siya. Yun lang pala yung sagot dun. Mati ata 'to, eh. Wala ng bawian, ah. Pero imamati kita. Ay hindi siya pwede mamati. Hindi nga, hindi nga pwede. Kung king ang ikakain niya, check tayo dun. Ay, chess ang hirap mo. Saan ba yung maganda? Kakainin ko yung rook or kakainin ko yung knight? Lugi ako pag knight ang kinain ko, eh. Ayun, may good move ako. Boom! Ay, sorry. Ito pala. Boom! Pala yung good move, bro. Napaalis ko yung queen niya. So yan, dalawa na yung pwede kong gawin. Talo na siya. Good move yun. Ayan, nagkamali na siya guys. So ang gagawin ko dito, i-mate ko na to. So mamamati na siya dito. Ayan. Kakainin ko yung teka lang, analyze mo muna. Check kung king ang kakain niya, hindi siya mame-mate. Mahusay din, ah. Mahusay nga, mahusay. Akala ko mate na, eh. Dito pala. Sakto talaga yung mga galawan niya, oh. Pero may mate pa ako ditong isa! Boom! So, dalawa na. Sige, kung mapipigilan mo pa yan. Wala nang pinakamagandang laro kundi ito. Ayan. Teka, share natin dito. Yun o, nakachamba. Ang galing ng chamba na to ah. Record natin to. Wala ka ng takas dyan. Kahit saan ka gumalaw, boy. Mate ka na. Ay, ayos tong laro na to ah. So hanggang dito tayo guys, no? Pag nag-resign siya, ayan, ito yung pinakamagandang laro ko ngayon. No? Ito yung pinakamagandang laro ko ngayon. Ayos ah. Ayan, ito yung pinakamagandang laro ko ngayon guys. Sa larangan ng chess jump, itong pinakamagandang laro ko ngayon. So stop tayo dito sa live natin pag manalo na tayo. Gagawin na lang natin is teka. Chamba eh. Oh, game 2 na tayo ah. Game 2 na tayo ah. So bukas yung game 3 natin. So tingnan natin kung ano ba? Ano ba? Ano ba 'yan? Wala tayong viewers. Hindi ako nang ako na ako nangangailangan ng viewers. Gusto ko lang mm, ng may kalaro sa live. O bukas uli. Game 3. O ano na, ayaw mo lang mag-move. Hindi ko alam kung sino ka pero ito ang pinaka-the best sa chess jump, no? Hindi mo kilala kung sino yung natalo mo, hindi mo rin kilala kung sino yung napanalunan mo. So, ito ang advantage sa decentralized. So, ayan, mate na siya. Ding. Ayun. So, okay. Bago tayo mag-end, lagi nating sinasabi yung ating white paper. So, uli, babasahin natin uli yung white paper natin. At bago tayo mag-end, sige. Teka lang guys ha, Google lang tayo ng oras. Ito naman ay magiging English na, no? So, magiging English na yung ating babasahin dahil babasa na tayo uli ng ating white paper. So, ito yung white paper natin. Before tayo mag-end ng live natin at games natin ay magbabasa tayo ng white paper para reminders na din sa ating lahat. So, once again guys, this is Coach Joel and this would be our chess jump white paper and same time this would be our community, but this is my personal channel which is my Coach Joel channel. I created this account solely for bloggings and TV of what is my journey in life. But same time, right now I'm building a community with the chess players, and it would be a decentralized players. So we have our official channel, which is the Coach Joel House. You can see that in our description. So right now we were gonna talk about with our white paper. Every time, every day that we are playing chess, and then we are going to end. So we would like to review again our white paper as always. So the Chess Jump white paper is a decentralized global chess community protocol designed to cultivate discipline, strategic players worldwide. So that's why I keep always inviting strong players with this community so that we can play anonymously. And now we're gonna post always the 1 hour 1 hour long game with me. So a decentralized global protocol for lifetime chess mastery. So, once again, I would like to clarify my rank. I don't have any rank. I am low rank or something, but I don't have ranks, okay, in chess. I'm just a simple player, just like you. You can treat me as your rival or a friend or a foe or something, what you ever want to call me. But as I always said, I don't care. Okay? So I'm just a low player like you. If you're a beginner, then we can grow each other. If you're a master, then teach me. Okay? So this would be our version 1.0. So this would be our abstract chess jump. Okay. Give me a sec, guys. Wait, the white paper is removed. Oh yeah, it's good now. So chess jump once again is a decentralized global chess community protocol designed to cultivate discipline and strategic players worldwide. So it is not a centralized academy. We don't have enrollments here. We don't collect monetary policy here. We don't collect any money or investment. So it is not a centralized academy. It is not a closed platform. It is not a proprietary playing server. So ChessJump operates as a philosophical and structural layer built on the top of open chess infrastructure, utilizing anonymous gameplay throughout lichess.org as the execution environment. So ChessJump provides the discipline, Lichess provides the board, and the community provides the growth. So the objective is very, very simple. Build the structure, think long term, and improve consistently. So I we're gonna build a community that focus on decentralized playing because chess is the medium and decentralization is the structure and discipline is always our foundation. So number one, as I said yesterday or last night, the global problem still as it is. Despite chess being universal right now, modern ecosystems suffer from rating obsession or obsession. Second, ego-driven competition. Third is toxic engagement culture. Fourth, shortcut learning models. Fifth, overdependence on memorization. And the last thing is lack of long-term discipline frameworks. I believe I've already explained this detail by detail. What is the lack of long-term discipline framework? You know, normal chess players today are always keep playing bullets and blitz. So they remove or they disregard the long game. So that is why I created this community right now to focus on long-term players, especially in long games. Because the more you have the long games, the more your mind will get, will be polished, will improve the critical thinking skills. So, centralized systems often prioritize visibility and branding and engagement matrix over structured development. So you can hear the GM, AGM, FM, or whatsoever they call that title. So we don't care about the titles here. Okay? As I said, we are decentralized and we don't care. So the problem is not access to tools. The problem is lack of unified philosophy. So chess jump exists to restore structural discipline. Number two, Decentralized vision. So Chess Jump envisions a world where players improve without ego attachment. Identity is secondary to discipline. Improvement is tracked by structural growth. Global players connect without borders. No single authority controls gameplay infrastructure. Unlike the modern chess we have right now, they are calling some arbiters or officials to um I mean to oversees all the game. So that's why they have arbiters right now. But in this decentralization, we don't have any arbiters because we're playing anonymously and we don't care about the arbiters or whatsoever they call it because that is centralized. So here in the decentralized game we have in our community, we are single player that only focus on our growth. Okay? Do not go to other boards or analyze your own game so you can focus. So Chess Jump does not own the board. The board is open. The protocol is philosophical, not mechanical. Gameplay occurs on lightchess.org, a free and open chess platform that allows anonymous participation. So that's why we use lightchess.org because it also provides us our goal, the decentralized participation without any identity um, disclosed. So anonymity removes ego as always. Neutral infrastructure removes control. Discipline remains the only advantage in Chess Jump. Okay? So our mission, Chess Jump exists to build a decentralized discipline-based chess community, remove ego from improvement, encourage anonymous structured training, promote global collaboration. So that's why we live this in our YouTube channel so that everyone can see it globally. If they were gonna research about Coach Joel House, so they can see what are those, okay? What are the details, documentation, the video we have. So that's it. And develop psychologically stable competitors and replace hype with structure. So the mission is not dominance, okay? We are not here to promote ourselves or whatsoever. We are here to find a player that wants to grow with this mission and vision in our community in Chess Jump. And the mission is durability. Okay? So number 4, why light chess as infrastructure? Chess Jump does not create its own playing server, but I believe in the future we can create with it. That's why this white paper is version 1.0 or 1.1 so that we can make it 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 2, and so on and so forth. So instead, it leverages the lightchess.org. If lightchess.org will remove the anonymous playing. So I think it's high time to build our own servers anonymously. So right now, as long as lightchess.org doesn't remove that, so we can still continue using lightchess.org. But in the future, if they were gonna remove the anonymous participant or anonymous participation, we were gonna make our own servers anonymously. So the reason behind is why we use lightchess.org because it's free and open access, no payment walls, anonymous gameplay supported, and transparent rating system, and global accessibility and community aligned philosophy. So that's why. So Lightchess serves as the execution layer and Chess Jump as our community serves as the discipline layer. This separation ensures decentralization. Okay, number 5, core principles of the decentralized community. 5.1, anonymity over ego. Players are encouraged to train anonymously, focus on move quality over identity. So that's why we don't have any grandmaster here, we don't have any AGM here, we don't have any FM here, we don't have any IM here, we don't have any NM here. We are all equally trained, or we can actually grow within ourselves with this community. No AGM or something. Okay? You can call me Coach Joel or whatsoever you want me to call, but we are all the same. Okay? So treat me as your brother or whatsoever you call me. I don't care because we are practicing decentralized community. So detach performance from personal branding. So skill improves faster when ego is removed. So 5.2, structure before attack. Members are trained to improve position before aggression. Respect defensive integrity. Build before expanding. Sound structure outlasts impulsive tactics. And let's go to 5.3, direction over speed. Fast rating gains without structural clarity collapse. Chess Jump or our community prioritize blunder reduction, positional understanding, and psychological stability and long-term compounding. So, in our generation right now, they are focusing on speed. Speed means they're focusing on blitz, they're focusing on bullets, but they remove the direction. Direction means you use your own mind to think. So that's why all players right now are keep playing with bullets in 5 minutes. I don't care also about that, but we in our community we're gonna focus always in the long game. So whatever it is, we are not focusing on winning, we are not focusing on losing, we're focusing on learning and discipline. So that is the direction over speed. We don't fast rates here. Okay? We focus on our own selves and discipline. So 5.4, discipline over recognition. So recognition guys is only temporary and discipline is always permanent. Chess Jump or our community does not rank members publicly by status. That's why we use always anonymity or anonymous gameplay. And improvement is internal and structural. So number 6, decentralized community architecture. Chess Jump operates across 3 layers. So you need to understand this and remember this always. So layer 1, our open infrastructure. Gameplay occurs on lightchess.org. No proprietary servers, no centralized control of play. Layer 2, philosophical protocol. Chess Jump provides strategic frameworks, error reduction system, psychological discipline models, mentorship guidelines, long-term compounding philosophy. This layer is intellectual, not a technical. So we don't use boots, computers, or any analyze AIs right now to analyze our game. We use our own brain so that we could grow much more faster. So that's it. And layer 3, global community network. Players connect through Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, or documentation with our Getbook. So the community is distributed across platforms. No single node controls the network. So you control your own self, guys. So we have the community because in the future, we will gonna have our decentralized tournament. Okay? So that decentralized tournament, whatever you play, and whenever you win the game, you will receive tokens. So in the future, okay, in the future. And number 7, anonymous training model. Members are encouraged to create training focus light accounts, but it is only optional because we are decentralized, okay? So separate training, separate identity from improvement, analyze games objectively, share annotated games without ego attachment. So anonymous play reduce performance anxiety, social pressure, identity bias, or toxic competition. It improves our improvement becomes pure because we don't know who are we against of. So I don't know if my English is good, but yes, I hope you guys can understand it. Whatever who wants to watch this video. Okay, number 8, error reduction model. So this is our decentralized edition. Progress is measured by reduced blunder frequency, improved time management, increased structural awareness, emotional neutrality, better in-game conversion. Brilliance is volatile. Error reduction compounds. A decentralized community that minimizes errors collectively becomes stronger over time. Okay? So number 9, governance philosophy. Chess Jump operates under principle-based governance. No centralized rating authority, no leaderboard politics, no artificial hierarchy. We don't have GM, EMC, or whatsoever they call of the titles. Mentorship earned through contribution. So you are always the mentor in yourself. Not me, not Coach Joel, or not anybody. You as a person. And authority derived from discipline. So leadership exists to preserve philosophy, not to control players, because you are the solely leader with yourself. So decentralization ensures resilience. Number 10, security considerations. Risks in centralized communities include ego-driven toxicity, identity-based pressure, popularity manipulation, content over substance. Chess Jump migrates or mitigates this throughout anonymous gameplay, philosophy-first structure, discipline culture, platform neutral execution. So security precedes expansion. Number 11, long-term global impact. If, okay guys, if successful, Chess Jump will create disciplined players worldwide, remove ego from improvement culture, encourage anonymous mastery, elevate global chess standards, build a network of strategic thinkers. The outcome is not only strong players, it is stronger minds. So last part of our white paper, that would be number 12, and it's our conclusion. Chess Jump is not a centralized academy. It is not a proprietary chess platform. It is not a rating manipulation system. It is a decentralized global discipline protocol built on open infrastructure. The board is neutral, the platform is open, the discipline is internal, and a single good move does not win the game. But a lifetime of discipline moves, builds structural mastery. So once again, this is Chess Jump or CJ or Coach Joel building a decentralized global protocol for lifetime chess mastery. This would be our white paper version 1.0. So thank you guys for tuning in, and once again, sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan, at kung ano man yung ginagawa nyo sa buhay, dapat gawin yung may kalayaan. So thank you again guys. God bless, and have a great week days ahead. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Ciao.